In this video, you'll learn how to activate Calendly Pro features. By following these steps, you will unlock advanced functionalities that enhance your scheduling experience. To begin, navigate to the left sidebar of your Calendly dashboard. Locate and click on the option labeled Upgrade Plan. This action will redirect you to a page displaying the available plans for upgrading. Once you are on the upgrade page, you will see several options for paid plans. The plans available typically include Standard and Teams, which offers the pro level features. Carefully consider which plan suits your needs best and select the one you want to proceed with. Activating a paid plan unlocks a variety of features that can significantly improve your scheduling capabilities. These include workflows for automatic reminders, multiple event types, group and round robin meetings, various integrations, branding removal, and advanced scheduling features. Remember, you can upgrade at any time from your account's billing page. After you've selected your desired plan, the next step is to click on the upgrade button. Following this, you will be prompted to enter your payment details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues during the transaction. Once you have entered your payment information, confirm your payment. After this step, your Pro features will activate immediately. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the upgrade was successful. To confirm that your Pro features are activated, check your dashboard for the presence of unlocked workflows, additional integrations, and team features. You should also notice the absence of any upgrade plan warning, indicating that your account is now utilizing the enhanced capabilities. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.